In primetime news this evening, Jamaicans weigh in on the most popular politicians.
PEP results to be released Friday.
And later, KFC frenzy. Finger licking good, they would say. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. We are live online and we're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, it's a big deal. Later on, I'll be giving you the findings of a new study on the digital transformation in the Caribbean a little later on. I'll give you the details.
I wonder what is a big deal that's happening in sports.
Can't wait to hear Jermaine. Okay.
Well, I don't know if it is as finger licking good. but the anticipation is building in response to the athletes who will turn up for the national championships. Who will be there and who will not? Stay tuned. More a bit later on.
All right, so Romain, it's over to you.
Thanks, Janella. No, the weather patterns across the area are not going to be changing significantly over the next few days. We still have some light haze across the area. We still have some dust, and those strong winds are expected to persist along both coasts.
So drama everywhere, but in weather as always. You can hear more later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And of course, Archie, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the rush on KFC restaurants today?
I am so looking forward to the comments. You can share yours online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.